Introducing the Prestige Combo Drop Deck, the trailer that redefines versatility and efficiency. Crafted with durable aluminum and steel, it's tough enough for the heaviest loads while keeping maintenance and fuel costs low. And when you need them, in-floor ramps deploy in seconds. Seamlessly integrated into the deck, they make loading and unloading wheeled equipment and challenging cargo quick and easy. Every inch of the Prestige Drop Deck is meticulously crafted with precision and care, ensuring reliability and durability. Whether it's construction equipment, oversized freight, or specialized cargo, this trailer handles it all. The Prestige Drop Deck isn't just a tool, it's a solution built to simplify your toughest tasks. With robust construction and practical features, the Prestige Drop Deck combines strength, versatility, and innovation in one powerful package. Contact us now to learn more.